In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see when a friend is in your chat on Snapchat. With Snapchat latest update, they've added a cool feature in Snapchat Plus that lets you know when someone is currently viewing your chat. Let's dive into it. Start by opening the Snapchat app, then tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. To get this feature, note that you'll need to subscribe to Snapchat Plus first. Tap on Snapchat Plus under your profile options and follow the steps to subscribe. Once you've subscribed, scroll down to find the Friends and Chat settings. Make sure it's turned on. This feature will let you see a unique icon change whenever your friends is actively in your chat. Now, go back to your chat section. If a friend is currently viewing your chat, you'll notice that their profile icon changes to show them holding a phone. Let's test it out. I'll open this chat on my another device. As you can see, the profile icon has changed, indicating that they're currently in the chat. When they exit, it will go back to the standard icon. And that's it. Now you can see when a friend is in your chat.